Hello and welcome to HW News. If you have a bank account in CKP Cooperative Bank, then this news is very important for you. Reserve Bank of India has given a big blow to CKP Cooperative Bank customers amidst the coronavirus lockdown. RBI has cancelled the license of this bank, due to which the deposit capital of the account holders is stuck in this bank. This decision of RBI has increased the trouble of about 11,500 depositors investors of CKP Bank, with about 1.25 lakh account holders being affected due to this. The bank's fixed deposit of Rs 485 crore has also been stuck due to the license being cancelled by the RBI. The headquarters of this bank is located in Dadar, Mumbai. Now, according to the reports, the bank's transactions were banned in 2014 due to the steep decline in the net worth of the bank and the increase in bank's losses. However, since the ban was imposed on the transaction, many a times an attempt was made to reduce the bank's losses. Some positive results of these efforts were also visible, but now the RBI, the Reserve Bank of India, apex banking institution in the country, has given a big shock to the account holders and investors by cancelling the license of this bank. Now, it is being said that from the year 2014, the period of restriction on CKP Bank was being extended continuously by RBI. On 31st March, the ban period was extended to 31st May. However, before completing the period, the RBI has cancelled the license of the bank. According to reports, due to the continued decline in the net worth of CKP Cooperative Bank, the RBI decided to cancel its license. It is said that the net worth of CKP Bank was Rs 146 crore in the year 2016, when it has become Rs 230 crore now. Although the bank was making operational profits, the decline in net worth is being considered as the biggest reason for the cancellation of the license. But with this, now many account holders of CKP Bank have been left high and dry. What will happen to the money? Is it safe with the RBI or not? Will they ever get their money back? In the lockdown, when people are already struggling with keeping up the finances, was it necessary to cancel the license of the bank at this point of time? These are some of the questions. However, we hope the relevant authorities would answer. Do let us know what you think in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.